how would you advise an Acholi to live a life and face challenges that we have at hands? Say, for example, the Baruli issue, and meanwhile imitating Janani Luwum.
I read the books of Apollo Mzee Apollo is still alive. He should be about 89 years. He wrote a book in the dungeons of Nakasero. And I met him personally 4 times and interviewed him. In those 4 times, I was meeting him. And I've seen some publications the last week, people who are alleging that Amin did not kill Janani Luwum.
By the way, that is including his own son, Amin. The moment Amin took it on Twitter that it is not his father who did that.
Now, Mzee Apollo is still alive. He was one of those who were tried publicly and executed. And all his friends, except 2 of them, were executed at the clock tower, that part of the Road. And it's very clear. He clearly details the last moments of Janani Luwum. And also in the room where Janani Luwum was being kept, they were in the next room. And they could hear the footsteps, the Amin team moving in the room. And then there was an exchange. And he told me that Janani Luwum was saying, I did not participate in treasonable activities. Now, those who were there say Amin pulled a gun and shot Luwum in the head.
Of which, even if he was to participate in treasonable activity, it is not up to Amin to kill or take it away.
Even if not that, it not only killed Janani Luwum. In the book of Henry Kiemba, he listed over 200,000 people who were killed by Amin. So a whole generation of Acholi, they cut off the head. That's why some of us even imagined leadership. There are 4 factors that cut off the head of Acholi: the Amin, NRA, Alice Lakwena, Joseph Kony. Actually, even for us political scientists, we tend to think Alice Lakwena was sent by 7, because he took all the elites and the remnants of the fighters and took them up to Maga in Uganda. They allowed them up to there, and then from there she fled and they killed those who went there. You know, they're subject of analysis. So, from Archbishop Janani Luwum's death, we learn a lesson that you should stand for the truth. And secondly, even if you don't stand for the truth, you will still die. How many people died also during the time of the war? So some people think they should preserve themselves, they should be cowards, they should not speak for humanity. Killing on it, for money, fear of the unknown. So instead of going to Muchwini and singing in thousands that you want to go to heaven, you should also know you're not going to go to heaven unless you die. Then the next question is, what is going to kill you? So we need to be bold and speak without fear or favor. That is one of the lessons I learned from Bishop Luwum. And actually, we should take from that.